Another beautiful day here in the Promised Land. Going on an impromptu run with Off-Road Evolution. Now, of course, Mel Wade. I think we're going to be doing Cane Creek today. Finally made our turn off. Looks like we are doing Cane Creek today, and it is gorgeous with all the red rocks all around us. How you know you're in Moab during the week of EJS is when you're on a trail in bumper-to-bumper traffic and you're still back at home commuting to work. At least it's beautiful, so it's all good.
Yeah, you're good.
That's the way.
You got it. You're coming. You're fine. You're fine. Keep coming. You're fine. You're fine. You're fine. Perfectly fine. Keep coming. Get out of it. Right there. Slow. Oh, whoa, whoa. Right there. Keep coming. Keep coming. Keep coming. Keep coming. Keep coming. Now turn towards me. Keep coming. Oh, perfect. Nice and slow. You got it. Okay.
Locker!
Turn, drive out of it. Come on. You got it. Go, go.
What happened there?
Problem with hard fenders is the fact that they're great in protecting things, kind of, but when you hit a rock kind of hard, it actually buckles the body. So that's kind of what we're looking at. He says he has quarter panels back at the shop, so it's really not that big of a deal.
What?
He came up to me and he said, what's that face for? I'm like, well.
It happens.
No, it does. It does. That's why we have quarter panels too. Yeah,
Ah, this right here, I see it. Oh.
you can kind of see it.
Yeah.
Water crossing.
What is this hill called?
Hamburger Hill. This is probably the biggest well-known obstacle on Cane Creek. Two ways around it, easy way around the left, but it's spooky because you got exposure from the cliffside. Right side's a lot harder. Turn your driver and bump it. Give it a bump. Go. Go. Straight. Right there. Right there. Drive it. Drive it. Back up. You need to drive through. Go. Go, 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 go. Go, go, drive, 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 drive. Almost, almost, yeah, good, good. Come, come. Good. Excellent. Looks like I hit right in the back corner here. Obviously this is when I was using my rocker guards as rock sliders. And then there's a hit right here on the last obstacle coming up out of Cane Creek. Look on the other side. Right down here maybe?
Okay, then.
Either
Same
way,
spot.
yeah. All the bolts that everyone was freaking out about, haven't touched a single one. It's always the outer edges that you hit, that or your frame rails. Well, we're finally up on top. That means the highway's just around the corner. Done with the trail. And look, it's only 3 o'clock, 3:30. So I know that our fans, people who've been following our videos long enough, they'll say that's because I'm not leading the trail. Otherwise, we'd be coming off at dark.